AI is changing everything right now, including how people manage their money. But with hundreds of AI money tools launching every month, most people have no idea which ones are actually worth using and which ones are just hype. I spent 30 days testing 5 of the most talked about AI financial tools, so you don't have to. Some of them genuinely surprised me. One of them I deleted immediately. Here's my honest breakdown. Welcome to Fuel Your Wealth, where we break down smart money moves and the best AI tools to help you build real wealth. Let's get into it. First up is Cleo. Think of it as a financial coach that lives in your phone and actually has a personality. You connect your bank account, and Cleo's AI analyzes your spending, roasts you when you overspend. Yes, it actually roasts you, and gives you a weekly breakdown of where your money went. What I liked, it's the first budgeting tool that doesn't feel like homework. The AI chat feature lets you ask things like, "Can I afford to eat out tonight?" And it checks your actual balance and upcoming bills before answering. That's genuinely useful. What I didn't like, the free version is limited, and some features require a paid subscription around $6 a month. Verdict: worth trying, especially if traditional budgeting apps feel boring or overwhelming. Next is Magnifi, an AI tool designed for people who want to invest but don't know where to start. You type in plain English questions like, "Show me low-cost index funds," or "What ETFs focus on clean energy?" And the AI pulls up real investment options with data, fees, and performance history. What impressed me? It makes investment research feel like a Google search. No jargon, no confusing dashboards. What to know? It doesn't make decisions for you, and it shouldn't. It's a research assistant, not an advisor. But for someone just starting to learn about investing, it could dramatically shorten the learning curve. Verdict: genuinely useful for beginners who want to understand their options before consulting a professional. If you have credit card debt, this one's for you. Tally uses AI to analyze all your credit cards, their interest rates, and your payment history, then automatically pays them in the optimal order to reduce the amount of interest you pay over time. The average American with credit card debt could potentially save hundreds of dollars a year just by optimizing payment order. Tally does that automatically without you thinking about it. Verdict: if you carry credit card balances month to month, this tool could be one of the most financially impactful things you try this year. I've mentioned Monarch Money before, and I keep coming back to it because it's genuinely the best AI budgeting tool available right now. Unlike apps that just track spending, Monarch predicts your future cash flow, flags unusual charges, and gives you a complete picture of your net worth in real time. The AI assistant answers questions about your finances in plain English. You can ask, "How much did I spend on food last month?" Or, "Am I on track to hit my savings goal?" And it pulls the answer instantly from your actual data. Verdict: best overall AI money management tool, worth every penny of the monthly subscription. Last one, and possibly the most immediately impactful. Rocket Money scans your transactions, finds every subscription and recurring charge, shows you exactly what you're paying for, and lets you cancel anything you don't want with one tap. The average person has between 4 and 8 subscriptions they've forgotten about. Finding and canceling just a few of those could save you more money this month than most investments will this year. Verdict: free to start, pays for itself in minutes. One of the first tools I'd recommend to anyone trying to free up cash flow immediately. So there you have it. 5 AI money tools, honest reviews, no fluff. Cleo for spending awareness, Magnifi for investment research, Tally for debt optimization, Monarch Money for full financial management, and Rocket Money to kill forgotten subscriptions. Links to all of these are in the description below. As always, this is for educational purposes only. Do your own research and make decisions that are right for your situation. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. We drop new content every week breaking down the smartest money moves